Fireball! Oh! Fireball. Fireball. Fireball.
Hello everybody, it looks like my first video on YouTube, but it's better later than never. So yesterday I wanted to play in VR in Oblivion Remastered. I watched these guys, how they use these voice commands and how it's cool and fun. But after 2 hours I found out that they use same program, it's voice attack, and it's actually using Microsoft Engine to recognize the speech, and Microsoft Engine is not supporting a lot of languages, including my native language. So I wanted to use my native language for voice commands, and I think, okay, maybe I can write a Python script that will use AI to recognize the speech and send these commands to game. So in this video I will just explain you how to install the script. I think you already see the presentation. So we will install the script and that's it. So first of all, you will need to download script on your computer. To do that, you need to click on code and download the zip. Link on GitHub will be in video description. So after downloading and extracting this, you will have something like this. But before proceed to do here something, you will need to download Python first of all. Then you will need to download AutoHotkey version 2. Here also posted version which I have on my computer. After that you will need to download FFmpeg. Also here is a version that I tested. When FFmpeg is downloaded, you need to extract it in C drive or other location, but after that you will need anyway add it in environment variables. So to do that, just go to search, edit, choose environment variables. Then you need to go to environment variables, find here path and click edit. And click new and add this role. For adding, don't forget to add here also bin, it's also important. And as we see here, we can also check Python installation. These two roles must be here also. And when you will install Python, I recommend you to install for all users, not only for you, but it's your choice. But in any way, you need to see something like that here. Click OK, OK, and OK. So then we will need to allow to Windows, actually to bad script, create a virtual environment for Python scripts. So to do that, just go to search PowerShell, click run as administrator, and we can copy this command, paste here, and then just for all, and that's it, done. Also will be good if you will check Python version. Okay, so we have it here, good. And actually after that we can start installation. We can just double click on this file, it's not a problem, but I recommend to everybody, because I don't know your computer configuration, I recommend to do it in terminal. So just go to your folder, open in terminal, and copy this command. Yeah, in this case you will able to see errors if they will appear in the window, and in this case I think you will able to solve them with ChatGPT or Copilot. So let's start. And fill the installation. I will hide this window and we can move a little bit forward. I will go to the settings of the script. When we will do full setup, we need to choose model for script, for AI. For English, it's enough usually like base and teeny, but as we will use a different language, I recommend to you use small. For CPU, if you will not use GPU for IE, you can try base, but I'm not sure it will work. Small is like most usable for us. You can use other large models, but they will eat your VRAM from GPU or just load your CPU. So when model is chosen, we need to open up application. I will use Notepad. So here is few things that we need to check. First of all, we need to choose model. As I said, small is more than enough. So then we need to also, maybe you will need to play with these numbers. It's microphone sensitivity. So less number, more sensitive, bigger number, less sensitive. You need to touch these ones. And here you will need to put language. And here you will need to write hotkey words. What it means, when you will speak something to IE, it can be phrases or words. It will try to find this word in sentences, and if it will be found, he will trigger K, like K3, K2, K1, K0, and so on. If you want to stop script, you can just say stop, and that's it. It will stop the script. So when it's done, we can save and close that. But also very important, that we will need to set num1, num2, and so on case for spells in game. And also you will need to set mk for spell, because you will need to use AutoHotkey script, and AutoHotkey script will trigger M button, or you will need to rewrite it here and put different button that you use in game. Okay, so let's check. It looks like the script get stop command. So if we will see our logs, here is he showing that it's using CPU, and CPU is actually very slow, so it's better to use GPU. To do that, you need to install PuTorch. I will paste here a command only for my video card, but you will need to check documentation, or also actually easy, you can ask ChatGPT that, okay, I use this script and I need to use CUDA drivers in Python environment, and it will paste the link. It's in 90% is correct. So what we need to do, again, we need to open terminal in this window, in this folder, sorry. Just copy the script, copy this command. Looks and copied something. I'm in the wrong folder. So we need to be in folder where when folder is placed now. So we see that this folder is activated now. Just copy this command. Second row will be different for your video card. For mine it's this one, but for yours it can be different. The first command is just to install old torch, like standard torch. So paste anyway, and install it. And now just click install. And we will need to wait a little bit till it will be installed. As I said before, this script is using AutoHotkey program to send keys in games, so you can use it also with different keys. Just you will need to write your own AutoHotkey script for that. That is also possible. So now it's installed, and we actually can start the script. So let's start the script. And now we see that CUDA is available, and we use video card. So let's try. Fireball. And we see that recognize the text is fireball, and it's triggered hotkey free. Fireball. And again, fireball. And it's working. Thank you for your time. If it was helpful for you, you can buy me a coffee. Bye bye.